Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY. I'm going to try to make a fairy house using my construction paper. These are the only papers I have. I don't have the other colors. I have red and brown and stuff. So we're going to use these colors today. We're going to try our best to make the fairy house the best we can. And before I get started, I did have a comment from a subscriber about this this diamond painting, and this subscriber was putting like some crying emoji. No, I'm taking my time. I started this from the 27th of August, so it's gonna take me a little time to get it done, and I'm putting the right color, and I do appreciate the comment as well. But anyways, we're gonna go and make the fairy house. Okay, so let's get right to the video. Okay, so honestly, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the triangle. So I'm gonna see if I can cut it, because I want to fold it about here. So I'm gonna cut it right here. So DIY, making a fairy house. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it like here. I don't know if I did it good. Something like this, right? So I'm gonna fold it like this. So let me get something. Okay, so I got some tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it on me for a second, and I'm going to tape it. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys something. Today is back to school, so I was just watching the news. Kids are going back to school. Their parents are bringing them back, or maybe some people are going to college. You know, this tape doesn't want to tape it. It's not the strongest tape, but we're gonna bear it. We're gonna need it more tape. And not the nicest. Okay. I had to just tape it all the way down, and then we're gonna see how this fairy house is going to be like. Okay. So I'm gonna give it one more piece tape, one more piece on the bottom. Okay. So this is the fairy house. Now I have to make like windows and stuff like that. So let me do that. Oh, sorry, this thing is falling down. Okay. So now I'm gonna use a pencil to draw the window. Alright, use any pencil. Alright, so now I'm going to use some blue windows today. We're gonna make some windows so y'all can see. Oh, maybe not so big, right? Yeah, because the paper is a bit small. I'm gonna try to make 2 little windows for the fairy house. Okay, so I'm gonna say something to you guys. So last night I was checking my YouTube, and I could see how much you guys are engaging in my videos. And I do want to appreciate you guys are engaging. Now I know what videos you guys like from me and stuff like that. You know, just to give like a little idea, because now I know, like, okay, you guys like these type of videos and other videos as well, which I truly appreciate. Okay, so here's my two windows that I made, because the paper is a bit small. Now I'm going to tape this. I don't know how it's going to take, but we're gonna have to tape it on there. I'm gonna get like a piece of tape so it doesn't like fall off. Like I said, it's not a strong tape, so I'm going to like tape it right here. Okay, and then the same thing with this side. I'm going to put it right here. Just gonna wrap that right there, so it doesn't like, you know, fall off. Okay. I was trying to like wrap it, but it's not gonna stay, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay. So this is my it looks so weird, but you know, we're gonna leave it how it is. Guys, I forgot to make a door. So let me make a door before we make the triangle. Okay. Because the fairy house needs a door, right? So I'm gonna make a door, and then I'm going to make the triangle. If I had like some other paper, I have it right, but I'm gonna make something for the triangle. I'm gonna make this fairy house the best I can, y'all. So this is the door. And then I'm gonna squeeze. Okay. Alright, so now that's it. Now I'm going to make the triangle now. So let me pause. Alright, so now we're going to make the triangle. So the triangle would have to be something like this. Okay, we're gonna see how well this triangle is. I didn't want to make it too big, but I feel like this is going to be too big. But let's just see. I feel like this is gonna be. I kind of messed this up too. Okay. I think the triangle is supposed to be like round. Okay, so what I can do is I can do it like this and tape, and then add another one. I'll figure it out, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another one. I was trying to see. Yeah, I don't know how this fairy house is gonna look like. Okay, and then I'm gonna add another piece to the side, or maybe to make it more casual. These windows are falling, so I gotta tape them. It's kind of like an old house falling down. I'm gonna make another. Alright. Yes, guys, I'm not trying to bore you here. I made this a little bit too small now. I made this a little bit too small. Alright, well, we're gonna leave it how it is. As opposed to, I was trying to match it up here. But we're gonna put it right here for now. Cause maybe she wants air. We're gonna do it like that for now. Okay, y'all. I messed it up, but we're gonna leave it how it is. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you in a minute, okay? Okay, so this is my fairy house. So let me pause it and I'll show you closer. Alright, guys. Oh, this thing is. Give me a second. This thing's falling apart. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to show you my fairy house. It's not the best fairy house, but I'm going to show you. So, of course, this is how I started it. And this is the fairy house. Okay? So, this is like maybe like a house that's kind of like breaking apart. So, this is my fairy house. I may have messed up this part here, but I wanted to make it more round for the castle, but this is my fairy house. Not the best fairy house, but I think this is good. Like if you're somebody who wants to make this, it's so easy. Just fold the paper, tape it, you know. I would give this maybe a C because, you know, I could have did it more better. But girl, this is my DIY making a fairy house. I wish I had more paper to make it nice, but that's all I got. But yeah, this is my fairy house. Very nice and simple. And that's it. Okay? Alright. Alright, y'all. So, other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. I actually enjoy it so much. It's so much fun. If you want to do this with your kids, please do this with your kids. And you will have a lot of fun. Okay? And now the next video we're gonna do it, try to find some fall foods. So like fruits, can even be food, whatever, it could be fall related. Okay? And then we're gonna do fall outfit, then fall makeup, then we're done. Then we're gonna do my 2 favorite songs I still have, and then that's it. Okay? And hopefully I will get to watch Lilo and Stitch so I can tell you in a video. And yeah, okay. So if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, comment down below what you guys think about this fairy house. And I'll see you on my next one. Okay? Bye.